Welcome to this video. In this video we will see how to use the calendar feature and how to assign substitutes and how to mark leaves. So to proceed with calendar feature or to proceed with assigning substitutes, you need to have a published timetable. So we have two timetables here and I am going to publish this timetable. You can see we have one timetable which is published. So now we have an official schedule. The system knows about our schedule. So we can go to the calendar now. You can see that for today we don't have a schedule because it's a Sunday and in my timetable Sunday is off. So I'm going to go to Monday and we can see that we have a schedule here. I can go to any date from here and we will see the schedule. So over here we have faculty members. We can switch to monthly view, we can switch to daily view, we can switch to class wise view, we can switch to room wise view. In this timetable I'm not using rooms, so the room view is empty. By default the faculty view is visible, and let's suppose we want to mark some substitutes, right? So let's suppose teacher A is not available on Wednesday this week, right? So we go here on teacher A and you will see that we have two buttons here. We can mark leave from here and we can also assign substitutes. Okay, we can just click on this teacher's name and we will see their schedule for that day. So this is the schedule of this teacher for Wednesday, right? We can also use these buttons here to mark leaves and to assign substitutes. Let's just mark leave. Okay, we have a full day leave for this teacher on 26th of this month, and let's suppose this is going to be a casual leave, right? We can add some notes here if you want. We can mark the leave. Now we can go here on assign substitute and we will see the schedule of this teacher, and in front of each period we will see all the teachers who are free on that day, and we can choose any one of them as a substitute. So we have period 2 here, which is with class 3A, right? And the subject is subject D, right? So let's suppose we are going ahead with this teacher in for period 2. For period 3 we are going ahead with this teacher, let's suppose, right? So you can see that teacher D is taking 4 classes already on that day, and in a week that this teacher is taking 26 periods. We can, if you want to assign, we can assign for all the periods or we can partially assign as well, right? So we can add some notes here. Teacher is on leave, right? And we can just save the substitutes. So you can see that we have created 2 substitutes, and now if I go back to the calendar, you can see that on teacher A's name we see this on leave, casual leave, this text for Wednesday, right? And we can see that now this teacher only has 2 classes left for which we don't have any substitute, and you will see that we have 2 lesson cards on the calendar which have this substitute assignment, right? You can go back to today, you can go back to Monday, and as you go on Wednesday you will see that we have the substitute assignment on that day. Now you can use these filters to filter the staff members. If you want to download the substitute schedules, and if you want to share this schedule with the teachers who are used as a substitute, you can do that from here. So if I open this, so this is how it will get printed. So we are only printing the schedule for substitute teachers. So this is their schedule for the entire day on Wednesday.